What's up, guys? I'm Garrett, and today we are at a really cool car show. We're going to look at some really awesome cars, and actually Lucas is going to show you around because he knows a lot more about cars than I do, so here we go. Okay, so this is a Ford GT 350. It's got a nice interior. It's stick, obviously. It's got the nice two stripes above. Very nice interior. It has around 300 horsepower. Flat calipers. It's got a nice spoiler. Yeah, it's a nice type of Ford GT. Cobra on the front. Pretty nice. Okay, so this is a McLaren. It costs around $200,000 to $300,000. It has nice yellow calipers. The shifter is not in. It's not on the. It's in the wheel instead of on the basically the control board. Or the control floor. As you can see, instead of the air coming through there, it goes through there, and it has a very low spoiler, which is very cool. Spoiler right there, it's really nice. Has the engine shown in the back right here. But yeah, these cars are very nice. And then as you can see over here, we have the Corvette Stingray. These are very awesome. It's a very cool color. You know, it's got the entryway for the air to come in over here. It's got the red calipers over here on the side, and then it has a very nice interior. It has a shift, which is very nice. It's got a nice spoiler. So obviously these cars are very expensive, very nice. I really like them. So guys, this Corvette over here, I don't know too much about it because, I mean, sorry, but I don't really know that much old-time cars, but it has very nice flap-ups. As you can see, the little circles right here, they flap up, and those are your headlights. Very cool idea that they had. You know, this is one of my favorite interior right here. So this is my favorite interior. You got red and black, you know, leather, very nice. So everything's very nice in this car, you know. Obviously they made some modifications on the interior and everything, because this car, as you can see, it's definitely older, but they kept very good care of this. And here's some of the other cool cars we looked at. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below what your favorite car was, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.